You want to check out the Datsun?
Okay.
Okay, come on. So this is my wide body Datsun 280ZX, and it is a death trap. And in this video, we're going to be going through everything that is wrong with this thing, because I am literally going to be rebuilding this thing from the ground up. So with that said, let's get started.
Okay.
I know, he's more excited than I am. So I built this car about 6 years ago now, and it was the first car that I had ever built. And when I built this car, I did not build it in the best way possible. I never knew anything about welding, fabrication, bodywork, any of that stuff. And so a lot of the things that were done to this car were not done in the best way possible. I haven't even driven this thing in like a year, and that's because it is terrifying to drive. The tires are 275/60/15s on all fours. And you would think that is sick, it looks glorious, but it is terrifying to drive. The paint only cost me maybe like 50 bucks. It was not done in the best way possible. And I am gonna be rebuilding this car with my son. Zakara, say hi.
Hi.
He is very interested in cars, even almost more than I am. Zakara, what car is this?
Datsun?
Yeah, should we open the engine?
Okay.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Engine.
Yeah, engine. Okay.
Okay.
What I'm most excited about is that
Engine.
we are going to be rebuilding this car from the ground up. We're going to be putting a Corvette suspension underneath it. It's going to be LS swapped, and it's going to be glorious. So I think it'll be a really cool way to teach him how cars work, fabrication, all of these things. We've been reading a lot of LS swap books.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
What do you see?
Where's the engine? And where is the headlights?
Highway.
And since I've built this car, I've learned so much about fabrication, design, building things from my friends at Trick Factory Customs where I work. And so I am going to be using a lot of that knowledge and applying it to this car, because we build amazing cars at Trick Factory. And so a lot of people are going to be helping me on this, which I'm very excited about. There's so much issues with this car. The paint is peeling in places. There's rust in some places. These fenders were not finished in the best way, and so they could cut you. Same thing with the canards in the front, the bumper, the bodywork was not done well. My welding was not the best, and so some of the things that I welded were not finished in the best way. So I just want to take a look at this thing to see exactly what I need to do to get it ready for the Corvette suspension. What's that?
Engine.
Yeah, and what is this?
Barry.
Yeah, good job. High five or fist bump. But anyhow, so this is the stock motor that this thing came with. It is there. Okay, you want to go and chill for a little bit?
Okay.
Okay, go look around the Datsun. So this is the engine it came with. It's a 2.8 liter naturally aspirated straight six. And I haven't modified this in any way. So it's completely stock. It still runs and drives, but I just want V8 noises. And so I'm gonna be replacing this motor with an LS. I know, yes, it's nothing new, but it's gonna give me more power for the best bang possible. Because if I wanna rebuild this motor, it's gonna cost me a lot more than just getting an LS, which I already have in another one of my cars, which I'm gonna be taking out. And I'm gonna be putting a Corvette suspension under this. We're gonna be doing a lot of fabrication on this thing. Everything is gonna be coming out from this. I want this thing to sit as low as possible, and so we're gonna be cutting out a lot of this stuff. I love the way Corvettes drive. I've driven a few of them, and they are fantastic to drive. And so I was like, might as well put that in this car. And so if you see things like even the rear spoiler, like this wasn't done very well. Everything about, there's just so much about this car that was not done very well. And if you guys know, this is an exhaust. This is a catless downpipes from my 370Z that I used to have, and I just converted it into ski box mounts. So all of this is gonna be coming off. I'm gonna be cutting everything that I did off, including this spoiler, redoing everything again, repainting this car, new wheels, new suspension, new engine. It's gonna be pretty much a brand new car, not a brand new car, but it's gonna be a new car by the time I'm done. My goal is to make this thing my daily driver. And I'm also gonna be designing a whole new wide body kit for this thing, because with the Corvette suspension, I plan for it to sit quite a bit lower. I'm also thinking of incorporating push rod suspension. So that should be pretty cool if I can achieve that. So I'm trying to use Fusion and Blender to design a whole new wide body kit on this. And so this should be a lot of fun. And maybe I'm gonna 3D print it, maybe I'm gonna fabricate it out of metal. I haven't decided on any of that yet, but it should be a fun journey regardless. So this is the interior of this car. It is not stock by any means. It has these NRG racing seats. This steering wheel that feels like it's about to come off. Again, I haven't driven this thing in like a year. Bum, bum. Engine? Yeah, we can't start it right now. We're talking to the people. It's too loud. If I start it, it'll be way too loud. Probably fabricating a whole new dash. I haven't decided if I should do a full roll cage in this thing yet. That might be stage 2, but stage 1 is to get that Corvette engine and suspension into this car. We still need to tear this thing apart because right now it is still a running and driving car, and I'm going to make it into one that does not run or drive, which is so funny that we do that as car enthusiasts all the time. I really hope and pray it doesn't end up sitting for like 10 years and then life gets in the way and I become old and I'm freaking 40 years later and I still haven't done this thing yet and I'm still just sitting on jack stands. But yeah, we're so excited. Move? You want me to move?
Okay.
Wow. He just wants to drive. You don't want me to be in the car. You only want to be in the car. You want to sit?
Okay.
Okay, cool. I'm going to move out of your way. Hold on. Oh, yep, step on me as you're doing that. Perfect. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, oh gosh. Oh. Yeah, you got it. Are you going to drive? Yeah, I see. He's more excited about this than me.
Close it?
Close it? I should close the door?
Okay.
We're looking forward to getting started on this thing. And the next video is going to be me tearing this thing apart. I'm going to get rid of the ski box. I'm going to get rid of everything. Okay, I should close it? Okay, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. Okay, cool. Okay, see ya.
Close it.
That I should close this door too? Okay. If you like this video, I want to see this series, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Golden Drive. The short form is going to be available on as Reels, but the long form is going to be available on my YouTube channel. So The Golden Drive on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Should I close the hood?
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool, right? Is it sick?
Sick.
Yep, and so with that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.